Hydra facial machine, when you receive the machine, please fix the 2 hangers on both sides and then install the handles to the socket. This one upper pinning handle, then connection is here. You can see we have the mark in and out. This one is out, first one, and in, the second one. And then this handle, this is ultrasound handle for face. You can see the holes, 6 holes to match the 6 pins. And another one, this one knife handle. You can see the holes, 5 holes, aligned to the 5 pins. Insert and fix it tightly. So this ultrasound handle for eyes. The first hole, the first connection. Here this button for water and vacuum adjustment. Let's install another side. Spray gun. This one. And then scrubber the third connection. These 2 shaper. Okay. After the installation, we should fill solution to the bottles. Remove the bottle by this way. And then you can fill different solution inside. S1, you can fill the solution for normal skin, and the solution for sensitive skin, and the solution for all skin types. After fill the solution, connect the machine. And this bottle, you can fill the pure water for the handle clean. Means you can choose any one of them to clean the skin. After the skin clean, you can choose this bottle to clean the handle pipe.